Y'all, it's your boy Vel back with another Mobile Legends top 5 video. And yesterday I said that I would release this video once we hit 100 likes. I did not think that you all would crush that in a single, like, it was like 2 or 3 hours or something like that. Something crazy. That was insane. So this time we gonna make it a little bit harder. 150 likes for the next top 5. But anyway, let's get into this one. So, I know you all have been going savage on me in these top 5s. Let me tell you, these are not my opinions. These are the statistical legends. So, let's get right into it. That Maya would be above her. I would think, I didn't know that Layla would be this high, but I am happy that she's number 3. She deserves it. She's the best player in the world. Even if she's not, she's the best. Don't say she's not. She's the best. But anyway, man, moving on to the number 2 spot. The number 2 spot, I can see it, Yun Zhao. Yun Zhao is number 2. He's the second most used player in all of Mobile Legends. Now, Yun Zhao, he's definitely used a lot. He's 2 times, not 2 times, but Layla was 8.11, like Yun Zhao is 10.62. Like he's like 2 whole points above her. And that actually makes sense because I see Yun Zhao a lot. Everyone uses them. So we can break apart the hear me if I seem a little unimpressed with this antisocial pessimist, but usually
Hello everyone, welcome to this new Mobile Legends video. And yeah, so I just got the advanced server update, which is just amazing. We bought him with diamonds and we're going to play him. It's the freaking first time, so that means we will straight to the custom mode and I'll see you whenever we are in the game. Alright, I picked Aurora and there we go, guys. That looks just amazing. To be honest, this throne thing, everything, that is just freaking amazing. We're going to use the magic emblem set for sure. Yeah, so this is pretty much going to be a gameplay. We're going to have a look on the stats, whatever, blah blah, some gameplay here and there. About the giveaway, make sure to leave a like, subscribe my channel, and write your in-game name down below, so you will have a chance of winning a Google Play card. The winner of the last giveaway, he's going to be the comment section on the top, so yeah, check that. If that's your name, make sure to message me. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited because, to be honest, I was waiting for a major for quite a long time and it never happened, and now it just happened. The new hero is out and he has a 3rd bar under his mana bar. That is a bit weird. Yeah, anyway, we're going to get those skills here. The first one, as I said, that's going to be a slow damage one. So let's see. Okay. Well, that's stacking. Okay. So we need 4 stacks of that, and then it's going to stun him. Whatever. Okay. Please do not do that. I want to see how it's going to be. The 3rd one. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. That's the 3rd one. Wait. Oh, it's full. Okay, let's see. The next one is going to do something, which is going to be interesting. So hopefully he's not running away from me, please. But I believe it's going to be a stun or something that. He just ran away. That kind of sucks. But as you can see, that's a good poke. The cooldown is not too long. It's stacking up the 3rd bar under your mana. Okay, 2nd spell. Let's see. Oh, you need a valid target. Okay, that's good. So, okay, let's see. Hit it, please. Oh, oh my god, that's broken. That's freaking broken. That's just broken. Okay, so every spell you use, that's getting one of those bars. So if it gets 4 of them, it's getting... Okay, so we can use this as well for a stun. Oh my god, this is legit broken. Then it's stunning. Wow. I just love that. So we're going to spam this shit here on the minions. And then we are going to use the freaking full combo on him and stun them. And we have a slow with the 2nd spell as well. But yeah, as I said, this is just more so you guys can see how the gameplay is going to work out. I'm going to make after this one another one where we're going to talk about specifically the stats, like how the skill is going to work out. But in this video it's just more about the gameplay, so you guys know how this is going to work out for you as well. No, don't kill me, please. Okay, we got ultimate. Okay, let's use it. Oh my god, what the hell was that? That was so freaking amazing. Wow, a huge ice thing is coming from the top down. That is literally amazing. Yeah, I'm just freaking hyped right now about this here. Imagine with full AP how this is going to work out. That's going to be just freaking insane as well. By the way, the mage item, they get buffed, all of them, so if you are planning to play majors, just to let you know, all the items got cheaper, like pretty much buffed. So yeah, that's pretty freaking amazing. Okay, let's try to do a full combo on me for the end of this video. So okay, let's use this one. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, not too bad. Come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Come on, hit! Yay, we got it. Very nice. So the freaking ult potential is just insane. I believe that. Oh, we just fucked up. The passive is amazing. The ult, I'm not sure how far we can use it, but I believe that you can use it as well to gank very well. So whenever you go somewhere, you can use that ultimate, and it's falling straight down on someone, and then it's just GG. So yeah, let's test that out for the. Yeah, pretty much that's going to be the end of the video. We're not going to play against bots here. Come on, guys. This is more going to be like you guys will see how the skills work. So this is slow. This can only be hit on target. You can stack this up, 4 stacks, and then it's a freaking stun to everyone. The ultimate, let's see how that's going to work. Okay, the range is not too huge, so yeah, I thought it's going to be bigger, but yeah, it's still okay. It's still freaking okay. Yeah, let me know down below, guys, what do you think? I believe it's a cool major. Obviously, you need to know how to play him. Okay, hopefully. Okay, you can dodge the ultimate, I believe. Come on. Yay. Okay, the stun works really good. It's pretty much from everywhere. Okay, let's see. And that second spell, that's always hitting, by the way. Okay, that's cool. Okay, yeah, you see? The stun and boom. Oh, that's so close. Okay, please don't die from the minions. But yeah, we stun all of them. Freaking amazing. A lot of CC. I really love this here. Yeah, that's going to be it for the video, guys. Let me know down below what you guys think about this new hero gameplay here. If you enjoyed the video, obviously, make sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel for more. This ultimate is just freaking amazing. I love it. I freaking love it. But yeah, that's for now, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Leave a like and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And comment your in-game name down below to be sure to sign up for the giveaway. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day and peace. Sereno.